This 2017 Coachmen Freedom Express Expandable 23TQX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 24 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, LP detector, water heater, external shower, microwave, air conditioning, stovetop burner, slide-out, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Coachmen Freedom Express Expandable 23TQX is 4,705 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.